The train hums softly, like a gentle lullaby waking from sleep. Outside, everything is quiet and still. Soft gray clouds drape over the hills, as if they are wearing a thick cloak of mist. The windows steam up gently, making the world outside look soft and hazy. The leaves on the trees shimmer with a delicate silver sheen in the early morning light. The air is cool but not cold, filled with the sweet scent of dewy earth. A distant whistle sounds softly into the stillness, echoing faintly through the mist. Slowly, steadily, the train begins to move forward. It's like it knows exactly where it's going, and it takes its time, as if savoring each moment. Outside, the hills are sleeping under a blanket of gray clouds. They stretch out endlessly, one after another, their shapes barely visible through the mist. The trees stand tall, their leaves whispering against each other in the gentle breeze. The train continues to hum softly, its rhythm soothing and calming. It's as if it's telling a quiet story, moving along without a rush, respecting the peacefulness of the morning. As the sun begins its slow journey across the sky, you find yourself sipping a warm cup of tea in your cozy seat. Outside the window, everything feels peaceful and quiet. The train is moving ever so gently, as if it's trying not to disturb the serenity. The first light of dawn breaks through the mist that still blankets the mountains. It's like a soft blanket being pulled back, revealing the sleeping giants of nature. The trees at the top of the mountain seem to be waking up too, their trunks standing tall and proud under the gentle touch of sunlight. Each tree is slowly turning into a magical silhouette against the sky. The colors are subtle and beautiful, shades of green and brown mingling with the light that filters through. It's almost as if you're seeing something out of a storybook. The train continues its slow, steady journey, allowing you to enjoy these changing scenes. You can see how the morning mist is thinning, giving way to clearer views of the peaks far ahead. Each breath of the train seems to match the rhythm of nature around it, soothing and comforting in their harmony. As the morning turns into afternoon, the sun moves across the sky, casting long shadows through the window. The train continues its steady journey, making a soft, rhythmic noise that fills your ears. It's like a gentle rattle, a sound so familiar and comforting. Outside, the landscape changes slowly. The trees near the edge of the tracks are now covered in a layer of mist that seems to dance with the light. Each leaf twinkles as the sun catches it, creating a beautiful, peaceful scene. You lean back in your seat, closing your eyes for a moment. The train rattle becomes almost like a lullaby, its steady beat helping you relax. You can feel yourself growing drowsy, each click and clack wrapping around you like a blanket of warmth. The rhythmic sound is so soothing that it makes the miles pass by without you even noticing. It's as if time itself slows down just to fit in with this natural rhythm. You smile gently, happy, and content. The train continues its slow journey, now passing through thick fog. The valleys between the mountains are bathed in a soft, hazy mist that seems to blanket everything. Outside, the world is shrouded in a gentle gray veil. As we glide smoothly through these ethereal spaces, it feels like floating on a cloud. Everything around us is gently blurred by this fog, making the air feel cool and damp against our skin. The train makes a soft whooshing sound as the wind moves past the windows. Occasionally, a beam of light breaks through the fog, casting a warm glow across the valley. The trees in the distance are almost unrecognizable, their shapes barely visible through the mist. It's like we're on a journey back in time, surrounded by something both familiar and mysterious. The silence is filled with the distant calls of birds, adding to the peaceful atmosphere. As the train continues its gentle pace, the scenery around us changes only slightly, like watching a landscape painting slowly roll out before our eyes. Each curve in the track brings us closer to more hidden beauty beneath the fog. The rhythm of the wheels on the tracks is calming and steady. It's as if the train itself is part of this journey, moving harmoniously with nature. The soft whispering of the wind, combined with the occasional clinking sound from the train, creates a soothing symphony that lulls us into deeper calm. As we pass through these foggy valleys, it feels like an endless exploration, each moment more tranquil than the last. As we continue our journey through the misty mountains, the landscape around us begins to transform. The trees start to whisper their secrets in the cool autumn breeze. The leaves of the great oaks and maples, once green like emeralds from the fairy tales you heard as a child, now turn into shades of orange and red. It feels almost magical, like they're putting on a show just for us. The sun filters through the changing canopy, casting patterns of light and shadow on the ground below. The leaves dance softly in the wind, creating a gentle rustling that is both soothing and captivating. Each tree seems to be painting its own masterpiece, with every leaf contributing a touch of color to the picture. Walking along the tracks, we can see these changes more clearly now. Some trees are completely transformed, their branches adorned with brilliant oranges and fiery reds. Others have a mix of green and yellow leaves, like nature's own still life. The colors blend together in a mesmerizing way, creating a carpet of vibrant hues that stretch out as far as the eye can see. Every time a train passes by, it feels like a moment suspended in time. The cars whiz past with a faint whoosh, leaving behind a trail of their own colors that seem to dance with the changing leaves. It's almost as if the train is taking part in this colorful parade, adding its own touch of autumn magic. The train slows down gradually, as if it's whispering its way to rest. Soft clicks and gentle swaying tell you the journey is nearing an end for now. The station ahead is small and old, with its wooden platform barely lit by soft orange lamps. Old trees surround the area, their leaves painted in shades of red and gold, like a canvas on display under the evening sky. As the train stops, the doors open slowly, revealing a quiet world beyond. You see just a few people out here, perhaps a family or two, moving about with gentle movements. Their voices are soft, almost like whispers carried by the cool autumn breeze. A young couple sits on a bench, holding hands, watching the sunset over the distant mountains. The air in the station is crisp and clear, filled with the scent of fresh leaves and earth. The sound of leaves rustling underfoot adds to the peacefulness of this moment. You step out onto the platform, feeling the cool ground beneath your feet. The train whistle blows a soft, gentle note as it pulls away, leaving you alone in the quiet. You stand there for a while, absorbing the sounds and sights around you. A red squirrel darts across the path, its tail flicking behind it like a banner of autumn colors. The sky above is a mix of deep blue and orange, with clusters of stars beginning to appear as night falls gently over the land. The train continues its slow journey through the misty mountains. Through the open window, a cool breeze gently blows in, just enough to wake you up without chilling you. The air is crisp and clean, full of autumn scent. Outside, the trees are a mix of green and gold, their leaves swaying softly with each gentle gust. A soft rustling sound fills your ears, leaves brushing against one another, birds chirping in the distance. It feels like nature itself is whispering to you, telling soothing stories about life and change. The train rumbles on, its wheels rolling smoothly over the tracks, making a steady, rhythmic sound that matches the beating of your heart as it calms you further. The scenery changes slowly. One moment you see a small stream sparkling in the sunlight, the next a group of deer grazing quietly by the side of the track. You feel comfortable and safe inside the train, the cool breeze a gentle friend brushing past you. It's just enough to keep you alert, but not too much to disturb your peace. You close your eyes for a moment, letting it all wash over you, feeling more and more relaxed with each passing minute. As the sun begins to set behind the distant mountains, casting a golden light through the clouds, you open your eyes again to see the world in a different shade of beauty. The breeze seems to have cooled even more, making you snuggle closer to your blanket, ready for whatever comes next on this peaceful journey. As the train glides smoothly through the misty autumn air, you find yourself drawn to the window once more. The distant peaks that seemed so far away now appear closer, their rugged outlines softened by a pale gray light filtering through the clouds. The air feels cool and crisp as it slides past the glass, making your cheeks tingle gently with each gentle breeze. You breathe in deeply, letting the fresh scent of the forest fill your lungs. The trees around you are painted in shades of red and gold, their leaves whispering softly against each other as if to share secrets. The train hums softly beneath you, its rhythmic motion lulling you into a calm state, where thoughts become slow and easy. You watch the peaks grow more distinct, their jagged edges like sleeping giants under a sky that stretches endlessly above. The sun begins to dip lower in the sky, casting long shadows across the landscape. The colors of the mountains shift from gray to soft pink and then to deep purple as the light fades. It's a slow, peaceful transition that feels like magic, drawing you into its gentle charm. Outside, a small bird lands on a branch close by, its wings flapping gently in the wind. You smile softly at it, feeling a sense of peace and contentment wash over you. It's as if the world around you has slowed to match your pace, making everything feel just right. The train moves slowly through the misty mountains as the sun begins to set. The sky changes colors, becoming a beautiful mix of pinks and purples. Through the window, you see everything bathed in a warm orange glow. The peaks stand tall against this backdrop, their shapes clear in the fading light. You hear the faint sound of the train slowing down, a gentle hum that seems to stretch out in time. The doors open with a soft hiss, and you see the station slowly coming into view through the mist. The platform is quiet, almost empty, except for a few early risers who seem to be just starting their day. A warm light from a nearby lamp casts a gentle glow over everything. You feel a sense of calm, as if all your worries have faded away. You step onto the platform and take a deep breath. The air is cool but not cold, carrying with it a hint of autumn leaves. It feels good to be here, where you can finally rest. The train doors close behind you with another soft hiss, and the engine begins its quiet hum once more as it departs. You turn towards your destination, feeling the quiet embrace of the station around you. You see the sign that says Arrival, Sunset Rest Station, and feel a sense of warmth and comfort from these words. The sound of leaves crunching underfoot makes you smile gently, like a lullaby for your mind. As you walk towards the exit, you notice a small bench under a tree. It feels so peaceful to sit down on it. You close your eyes briefly, letting out a slow exhale, feeling all the tension melt away with each breath. The station clock reads 8:15 p.m., and you know it's time for you to rest. You pull out your blanket from your bag and lay it carefully over your lap. The blanket is soft, and you can smell the subtle scent of lavender that was probably added by someone who cares about comfort. You sit there quietly, feeling the earth beneath you, listening to the distant sounds of nature, birds chirping softly, a gentle breeze rustling through leaves. These sounds are soothing, like a lullaby, helping your mind quiet down. You slowly open your eyes and look up at the sky, now dark but still dotted with stars. The moon is just beginning its ascent, casting a soft glow over everything. You think about how beautiful this moment is, feeling grateful for being here. With a final deep breath, you lie back on the blanket, tucking it around yourself like a warm hug. Your body feels heavy and relaxed, as if you're ready to drift into sleep right where you are. The world grows quiet around you, and soon enough, you feel your eyelids growing heavy. As you drift off, you whisper a gentle goodnight to the stars and the station, finally letting yourself relax fully and fall into a peaceful sleep.